In this video, I wanted you to take a look at the page blocks. Now, page block are pre-designed blocks or segments of a website that you can be able to drag and drop to create something. So let's go over here first. You notice that you have call to action, contact, or content block, and so on and so forth. So let's get started first with this call to action page block. This is really great because this helps you to kind of speed up creating your website. So let's say you want to create a call to action. You can choose here from any design or style that you're going for, and all that you have to do is just to edit the content that's in there. So let's start off with this first one. Now, by the way, if you don't have access to this, that's because you don't have the pro version. If you get the pro or the bro version of it, then you can be able to have access to that. You would have to first log in order for you to be able to use this. So I'm going to drag this over. So now I've just added this call to action here, and all I have to do is I can edit, just put my mouse over there, and I can pretty much choose to edit. I can put this mouse over here, choose to edit with this edit icon here, and that pops up, and you can choose the settings here, the typography, the inherent, so on and so forth right here. Or I can just also come here just to edit on the page, just like that. The contact at the button. So this one here is really cool. I love page blocks because there are times when maybe I don't have the time to design something, or I'm trying to create a website real fast. This is what I use here. So page blocks are pre-designed segments of a website that you use. So let's say I'm done with this one and I don't want it. I am just going to click on delete. Yes, delete it. And come back here, and let's say I want to pick something else and I want to go for something like this. I'm just going to drag it over. So now I have this, and let's say, you know what, I'm done with this one. I can change that to something else. So let me go back here and just click on this here, delete it. So that is how you're able to utilize the calls to action page block. So let me go over here with this background image. It looks nice. And if I want to replace this image with my own, you can definitely do that as well. So go over here, click on this edit, and you go over to the background. This is where the image can be, you can add an image from here. Or if you don't want to add an image to that, you can just choose a color, or you can choose a gradient. And you can also choose a video. So I'm going to choose that video and then put that there. And it's going to have that video, and throwing it to mute it. So it's muted. If I don't want the video, I can just choose none, and it's just going to be that. And I can choose whatever color that I want for this and change the opacity. So as I'm changing it, you're seeing this happen in real time. And I can choose more options here that I want to go with. I'm going to choose that, and it changes to that. So as you can see, I'm just editing stuff on the front end. I can type something here, and I can go back, and if I don't want it, I can change this button. So I can change what content I want to say on there. I can change the link. So I'm done with this one. Just click on delete, and I come back here, and I want to choose something else with this video. I can do that as well. So this is really great for the calls to action. And every landing page, especially when you start talking about sales funnels, or you're trying to convert, you need to have some type of call to action on your website.